welcome to Amanda Land. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make some really yummy egg rolls using your air fryer. It's really simple to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The egg rolls will be cooked in this air fryer. It's an Instapot. I think it's called the Vortex. I highly recommend this. It is like the best thing ever. There's other, Molly, I'm trying to film, please. As I was saying, there's other air fryers out there, you know, with the pull-out drawer. Those are good, but this is the best. It's like a little mini oven. It's like awesome. So I'm going to show you how to make some really yummy egg rolls, avocado egg rolls, using that thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients that I use for this avocado egg roll. First off is the egg roll wrappers. I get these at Walmart, but I'm sure you can get those anywhere. Got like 1/4 cup of chopped red onions. I've already chopped them, obviously. And then about 1/3 cup of chopped cilantro. Then you have your extra virgin olive oil that you spray the egg roll wrappers to help seal them. Some lime in the bowl to put it in. Also, for these egg rolls, you need sun-dried tomatoes from Trader Joe's. Must be from Trader Joe's. I'm just kidding. It can be from anywhere. And obviously, you need avocado. I started chopping it, then I realized I needed to film it. So there it is. There's my avocado. That avocado's not that great. All right, we're gonna ditch this avocado for one that looks better. I just kind of slice and then dice. So I dice them up like that, you know, kind of big pieces. I like chunky avocado. Okay, so there's avocado in the bowl. Next, we're gonna add the cilantro. Ta-da! Next, we're gonna add the red onions. Next comes the sun-dried tomatoes. You want 1/4 cup, so we're gonna go ahead and add that. Now there's some oil in it. It's okay to get the oil in there. It kind of acts like a bonding agent. But I try to drain it as much, you know, squish it up to the side. I hope the camera's catching that. But squish it up to the side. And then just gotta dump it in there. That should be enough. And if you really like tomatoes, it doesn't hurt to add just a little bit more. So that's what your roll's gonna look like. Next thing it says is some salt. I think it says like a teaspoon or whatever. That's enough. And some ground pepper. That's enough. And then some lime. That's good. All right, now you're gonna just mix it up. I'm gonna set the camera down because this is not working. That's pretty well mixed, so we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping them up in egg roll wrapper. So you lay the egg roll wrapper out flat. I keep a little bowl of water here because that's what helps seals the egg roll wrapper. I'll just use a average size, well, above average size serving spoon. Get a good heaping size and then plop it down there, like so. All right, I'm gonna attempt to wrap this first one. Oh, can't even want this. I'm gonna attempt to wrap this first one one-handed. Obviously, you'll want to use two. You'll take the corner edge, roll it up, and kind of squish it back. Get that in there. Take this edge, dab with water to seal, and fold it over. Oh god, it's not working. Like that. Take more water, corner, up like that. Seals it. And then I'm not gonna do it because I need two hands. And fold it over, kind of like a burrito. Didn't turn out quite right. It's a little thick, but it'll work. It'll cook the same. Alright, so there's my egg rolls, all wrapped and pretty. The next step is want to spray them with olive oil. And then flip them. How I typically cook these is I will put air fry, 400 degrees for 6 minutes. And then you press start. What it's going to do is it's going to heat up. Once it heats up, it'll tell you to put in the food. While this thing preheats, we're only going to take a moment and have a word from our sponsor. Just kidding, I don't have a sponsor. But if you're watching this video and you've gone this far, why not hit the subscribe button? I mean, you're already watching. You must be interested in what I'm doing. Just hit subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and then you won't miss out on all the awesome things I do, you know, like going through my Madonna collection, playing with my cats, making avocado egg rolls. This is stimulating content, people. You don't want to miss out on this. Tell me to add the food. Typically just add it to the top rack, like so, and then now, supposedly with this machine, it will tell you to flip the food. I've noticed that halfway through it does not. So I'll sit here and I'll watch it. And in 3 minutes, I will flip the egg rolls just to make sure that they are nice and golden brown all around. Look at them, aren't they pretty? In case you guys were wondering, here's a pickles update. Say hi, Pickles. He's just getting some water. Almost ready. And let's see how they turned out. More importantly, let's see if Amanda can get these out without burning herself. Oh. All right, they are all done. Looks pretty good to me. That one's the best one, I think. Look at that, it's a little greasy. All done. Once they cool, I'll show you the insides, but I'm gonna let them sit there for a minute and cool down because it'll be like hot lava if I try to eat them. All right, so it's cooled down enough to try a little bit. That's what it looks like inside. I decided to cut Big Bertha of all those left over. Now the recipe I found online has another recipe for a sauce. I didn't really like the sauce, or I didn't like how it sounded. If anybody knows me, they know that if I don't like how it sounds, then I probably won't eat it, even though it'd probably be really good. I'm a very picky eater. But when I typically eat my avocado egg rolls, I use this stuff, Samba Oleg. Freaking amazing stuff. Highly recommend. Or you could dip it in soy sauce. And if you're gonna go soy sauce, then I recommend the Trader Joe's soy sauce. I got a little bit of both here. We're gonna go ahead and try it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Good. I mean, how could you go wrong with that? Pretty damn good. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I mean, you're watching this far to see what I'm doing, might as well subscribe. What can it hurt? Alright, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. That was awesome.